beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to give you a quick rundown on a USDA loan. So if you know anything about loans, then you should know that the USDA loan is a 0% no money down loan. So a lot of people say, okay, yeah, Rickita is 0% no money down, but you got to stay out in the country to get this loan. And that's not necessarily true. So the USDA loan, they do have only certain rural areas that you can actually get this loan in, but you may be surprised what area you'll be able to buy a home. So try to look into it, because you can even use this loan if you're thinking about building a house too. Now, with the USDA loan, you are going to have a PMI, and it's going to be there for the remaining of your loan. So if you don't want to do the PMI, you don't want to pay any mortgage insurance, then definitely look into probably doing something like a FHA with 20% down or a conventional loan. But you still have a lot of great things that you can do with the USDA loan. Now, if you're thinking about getting a USDA loan, you have to make sure that you don't make over a certain amount of money too, because if you make too much money, you will be denied for this loan. So you want to see their income limits when it comes down to how much you can make. You got to make sure that you are not above the income limits. And with the FHA loan or the VA loan, you're able to get multiple units. So like I told you, with an FHA or a USDA, well, not USDA, but a VA loan, you're able to get a property that has 4 units. But when it comes down to USDA, they will not allow you to get a property if it's produce any type of income. So some people may think, oh, I can stay in a rural area, that's great, I can buy a farm, but you can't, because your property cannot produce any type of income. But again, the USDA loan is a no money down loan. So if you're thinking about getting this loan, then definitely look into it. It's a great option. And if you have any closing costs, so everybody has closing costs. Your closing costs can be like taxes and things like that. If you have those different things, then you can actually tie that into your loan and make sure that you actually really do put no money down. So if you're looking to truly put no money down on your home, look into a USDA loan. And if you ever have any questions, call or text me, because I can help you get into one. Again, my name is Rickita. Make sure you guys join my home buying program. I have that in the description. I'll see you guys later.